What's up? My name is Darren Wong and I represent the Kinjas, and welcome to my beginner breaking class where I teach you all the basic moves, steps, and techniques you need to know in order to break. Today's footwork move we're going to be working on is called the out to in pretzel. Alright, so before we jump into the tutorial, if you want to take your dance skills to the next level and you'd like private lessons with myself, go ahead and click that link in the description box to apply today, and hopefully we'll be able to work together. Alright, so today's footwork variation, we will be using our regular pretzel and also our inside out pretzel. So if you don't know how to do that, check out my tutorials I did on that before coming to this one. Alright, so the out to in pretzel starts with the same way that we start our original pretzel, and all we're going to do is we're going to do an inside out pretzel and then we're going to combine it with a front sweep or the original pretzel. Okay, so we're going to start with our neutral position here. I'm going to kick to my right as the original pretzel, so kick, and then again sitting on my heel. From here I'm going to turn, and again this time we're going to go inside out first, so don't go in first. I'm going to bring my leg up, I'm going to go sweep out, so again putting my weight on my left arm, my left leg comes through, my right leg is going to take the weight here. Okay, so here comes the tricky part. From here, as I bring this leg back, this is where I want to switch my hands because I know my right leg wants to come around and sweep to the front. Okay, so as this comes back behind me, I want to switch to my left knee here and switch my hands back to my left and then sweep from the front here, and again doing opposition, leaning away from where my leg is going to end up here. Okay, so take that slowly from the top. I'm going kick, sit, all the way around. This is the reverse sweep, so reverse sweep, again switching my hands to get to my left again, here, and then coming back. So let's do that one more time. This goes kick, around, turn, and reverse, and front, and. Alright, so once you have that side, we're going to kind of continue that motion. As our foot sweeps to the front, we're going to kind of use that as a ricochet off the wall to start our other direction. Okay, so let's say we took our front sweep here, did our front sweep. From here, you want to stop your motion here, kick this wall, and then we're going to bring it over to this side. Okay, so you want to keep the motion going, kick the wall, come back, and now we're going the other way. So now again, sitting on my heel, turning this way, going from my inside out pretzel first, right arm's taking the weight, again making sure we're in alignment. Left leg is going to go down onto my knee here. From here, again, switching my arm to my right arm so I have room for my left leg to come out and doing a sweep, again, leaning away from it and then coming around and then finishing off. Okay, so let's go from here. So we just went front sweep, kick, around, turn, and inside out pretzel, switch your hands, and out. Alright, so now let's try going side to side with this. Okay, so again, that front sweep is going to kind of ricochet off that wall so you can start going the other way. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Going kick, twist, around, inside out pretzel, inside, front sweep, click the wall, kick, down, around, inside out, front sweep, and then kick the wall. Alright, so let's try that again. I'm going to face the back so you see a different angle. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8. This goes turn, around, inside out, so inside out, front sweep, kick the wall, kick other way, around, inside out, front sweep, kick the wall, out. Alright, so now let's try putting that together with some counts. So for this one, since we are kicking the wall on the other side before turning our body, I'm gonna count that as my 1, and when I plant my foot, that'll be my and. So 1 and, the twist around will be 2, sweeps will be 3, 4. Okay, so here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8. This goes 1 and 2, 3, 4, and 1 and 2, 3, 4, and 1 and 2, 3, 4, and 1 and 2, 3, 4, and. Alright, so let's try that again. I'll face it back so you get a different angle. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, and 3, 4, and 1 and 2, 3, 4, and 1 and 2, 3, 4, and 1 and 2, 3, 4, and. Alright, so before we jump into the music, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, also hit that bell notification so you can always be notified when I drop lessons just like this. Alright, so key takeaways with this one, we're really just doing an out to in pretzel, but we're reversing the process. So instead of going for a front sweep first, we're gonna go for that back sweep, and then we're gonna go for the front sweep. And again, trying to keep your weight, especially if I'm going with my left foot first over here, trying to keep my weight mostly on my left for both sweeps, so the back sweep and the front sweep, and then the opposite applies if I'm going the other way. All right, so I'd love to see you practicing and training hard, so go ahead and post up a video and make sure you tag at Darren R. Wong. I'll be sure to give you some props, give you some shout outs, and all good stuff. All right, so make sure you like this video and also comment down below what you liked about it, what you learned from it. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.